Alright, we're back, and today I want to talk about BitGold. And BitGold is an online service that you can use to purchase gold. Um, you can set up an account, and then you can use deposits from your bank account, or you can use even Bitcoin to buy gold with. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, because gold is an asset that, like they said, has been around 5,000 years. It's always been a medium of exchange. It's always recognized globally as a medium of exchange, and gold tends to hold its value. They have this little chart here that if you invested in gold in the last 15 years, it'd show you what kind of return. Let's say you started with $1,000. The first year you would make 85, which is an 8.5% return on investment. You would have lost some money over the last 5 years, but 10 years ago you would have had 126% return on investment. And then you would have had 372% return on investment on 15 years. Now this is compounded. In other words, if you took your returns, which they've worked out to be 8.5%, 10, almost 11% annually, and reinvested that money and compounded it, this is the kind of return you would have got. So over a 10-year period, you would have more than doubled your money from your initial investment. Now, if you want, you can take this and you just hold it in one of their vaults, and they're all over the world, and then you can exchange it back into dollars if you want. Or if you want, you can have them send you the gold, and they'll send you these little cubes. They're 10 grams, and they'll send you your gold, and you can take it and you can put it in a vault, or you can put it in a safety deposit box, or you can bury it in the backyard if that's what you want to do with it. It's your gold, or you can just let them hold it for you. Now, as an investment, gold is a lot like watching grass grow. It's not going to sit there and do a whole lot. But if you're that kind of person that says, well, I really don't like risk, and I don't want to, lose my money. I just want it in a safe place. So I've got it in a CD, and I'm making 1 or 1.5% on it. You're losing money. And I'll tell you why. Because inflation is probably going to run around 4% minimum. So even if you have it a CD, you're going to lose 3% on that money just because of inflation. Whereas if you put it in gold, you're going to not only hedge against inflation, you might make actually 4% on your money on top of that. So that's not a bad thing. You're not going to get rich quick investing in gold, but if you're an individual who doesn't mind waiting a while, you could put your money in gold and wait 10 years and probably double your money. So it just has to be one of those things where you're looking at it as an alternative to CDs or something else like that. Bonds, last time I checked, they weren't paying that much interest anyway, especially government bonds. You might make 1.5%, 2% on those. So it's not good. It's better than that. So I would seriously consider gold for individuals who have a lot of assets that they may want to protect and hedge against inflation. That's really your best bet with this. Anyway, just something to think about. Have a good one.